With recent snowy forecasts and temperatures often remaining below freezing, New Jersey winters continually challenge residents to find ways to stay warm. In the mid-19th century, a new way to combat the cold came in the form of a then up-and-coming material known as coal. As the 19th century began, concerns over available wood supply increased. For while woods like hickory, oak, and walnut were still praised in guides of the day for their burning properties, the growth of cities and industry by the mid-19th century led to rapid depletion of supply. In response, coal provided an alternative fuel source that was readily available. While its lower cost, abundance, and efficiency enabled coal to be quickly adopted by factory owners, its entry into private homes at first met with some resistance, as a result of the cost of the metal ovens required, and the loss of the cultural ideal of the roaring hearth as the center of home life, as the flame was no longer visible in the coal stove configuration. Despite initial reluctance, coal became the standard fuel source by the 1860s. The most popular type of coal for at-home use was anthracite, or hard coal, which was espoused by leading voices of the day as being of the best quality, as it produced a lot of heat without much smoke, in comparison to the cheaper yet smokier bituminous coal that was more common for businesses to have used. Within 2 decades, by the 1880s, coal had firmly planted itself as the home heat source, with coal-burning stoves and even hot air furnaces that were heated by burning coals, increasingly found in residences such as Acorn Hall. Coal persisted as a heat source through the 1920s and 1930s, before it too would be replaced by natural gas, oil, and electricity. However, for over a century, coal turned up the heat and kept the chill away during the winter days of yore.